lie down. That the dog, the sheep, wherever the dog is on a radius around the sheep is, he's supposed to stop there and look in to the sheep. In other words, do a 90-degree turn and come into the sheep. I use a lot of there. Just tell the dog that's where I want him there, and they'll stop and turn in. Then walk up is a command for them to leave a down position and to walk toward the sheep. As they're walking, then you can use your commands, either come by, way to me, come by, way to me, whatever, and to control the sheep in whatever direction you want them to go. He is, Kit is he's not fully trained. So he knows his commands, but he's pretty much screwy because I haven't had time. He needs to be worked every day is what he needs. Lie down. Let me get him out.